Get out.
With the very opening scene, they sit there and they beat him with the gun. That, gun. And that's when it hit me, maybe I should record this. Something. Both in the afternoon.
After he's fed and cleaned.
Once he's fed and changed and he gets up and active, he really, it's not his muscles he's working out. He's working out them throat muscles.
Say hi. Say hi, everybody.
That's actually a really good movie. I'm tempted to try. My mom would get halfway through before she knew what it was about.
Where's little piggies? Where's little piggies? Where'd they go? I found one. I found little piggy. I found a big one right here too. Little piggy. There's little piggy. There's little piggy.